Hey, what's going on, everybody? Peace and love. It's your favorite platinum leader, Isis. Love you guys, and I'm super excited. I'm going to be showing you how to place your first trade, right? How to place your first trade. So what you'll do is you'll go to the MetaTrader 4 app. You'll have all of the pairs, right? So let's check this out. Let's look at a Forex signal. All right, so let's just say somebody does all the work for you, right? And you just take a signal. Like, wouldn't that be cool? So check this out. So let's just say this pair, for example. So when anybody puts a signal in a group, this is what I want you to pay attention to. So you see it's XAUUSD sell market. So let's go to our app. Let's look for that pair. Here it goes, right here. Now, if we didn't see it, we will go to the plus button. That's gold. So we will go to metals and we will find it here. If you need to go to cryptocurrency, you can find the cryptocurrency pairs here. Just read, right? A lot of us don't read, so we miss out on simple stuff. So really just read through it, find the pair. Energy is like oil. Futures is futures, stocks. You can find all the stocks here. So just play around in here, right? And if you don't see it, just hit the search bar. All right, it's very, very simple. Don't complicate it, right? So here goes that pair we were looking for. So I hold down, and the only two buttons that I'll ever focus on is the new order and open chart. I'm going to go to the new order. I'm going to go back to the signal, and then it says market execution sale. So see where it says SL? Your SL is your stop loss. That's your safety net. So it says 1502. So we'll go here. Your stop loss is always going to be, on the red side, okay? Remember that. If you have to write that down, write it down, okay? So that's the stop loss. Now to take profit. Now, there's different take profits. Only thing that simply means is that you could take your money at 20 pips, means 20 points. You could take your money 40 points down, 80 points down, or 100 points down. Don't worry. The more you get started into this, the more all of this is going to make sense. If you're brand new and you're just waiting to get paid to get the money, this is really going to make sense to you once you get in the academy. So let's just go with take profit 1, 14.96. I will come over here, 14. I will come over here, 96. Next, what did he tell me? It's a sale. All I would do was I would go here and I would hit sale. Now, this is my real account, so I'm not going to do it. So let me go into my play account, because this is what I really love, right? When you're getting started, you can have something like a demo, right? And a demo is real live trading. Right? Real live trading, you guys. Real live trading. But you get the practice so you can build up the confidence while you trade. So this is my demo account. So I want to really execute the order so you guys see how it works, right? Okay, 1502. Okay, 1502. Now, he told me it's a sell. Okay, it's probably because this was an old trade, so I just want to push sell for the fun of it. So let's just act like I had some numbers in there. We put our numbers in there, and then we hit sell, right? So the market's going to be moving and popping and flopping and doing all of this, doing all of these different things until it hits our take profit, you guys. So just wanted to give you a quick demonstration on how this looks, you guys. Like I said, it's real simple. If somebody puts in a signal, you just find the pair. If they do it for USD, you open it, stop loss in the red, take profit in the green. If it's a sell limit, you go to sell limit. If it's a buy limit, you go to buy stop, right? So if it's a buy stop and they give you the price, you will put the price here, stop loss here, take profit there. If it's market's execution, it just means that you're getting a trade right now. Okay, so I hope that makes sense for you guys. If it didn't, let me know, and don't worry, the more you get active in our I Am Mastery Academy, the more this stuff starts to make sense. All right, so I'll catch you guys at the beach and the bank in the top, because the bottom is way too crowded with complainers.